What's up, YouTube? Just giving you a little view of this old car wash here. This old building there. You can see some of the area here. I don't care if anybody see it. All this area over there, gotta wait till all that grass die off over there to hit off over in there. Here's an old building here. Right there. This old car wash here. Old. So I'm gonna hit around, not this, but there was some type of structure that sat right off in this area here. Didn't say what it was. Yeah, the train's going by. Didn't say what it was, but you can see it's asphalt down there in the grass. So you get about right off over in this area here. See, here's part of the structure right there. So something sat right in here. And I'm thinking maybe a spot where they, I don't know. I have no idea what could be there, but this area here, and then it's some asphalt that comes. You can kind of see some in here. They come out right back in this area here. It's the old building there. Just kind of give you an overlook of what I'm gonna try to do out here. I'm hitting this area here, see what I can find. Looking at the ground is what I'm doing, and see the train going by over there. But I'm gonna hit in this area here and see what. Oh yeah, I want to show you this area here. See, there's been vehicles that's driving through this grass. Gotta be careful because I know there's snakes out. Wind's picking up a little bit. Don't want to get hit by a snake. That back area right there, building right there, is where they used to fix on the airplanes and stuff. Back off in that area there, that building right there. But I'm gonna try to get off inside that building there, in that area right there, contact the people and see if I can't get in there and detect that back area and all that field right there. But I'm gonna hit around this old car wash here and see what I can find. All right, guys, see you on the first good target. Oh, look at there, guys. Look at there, guys. Look at there, guys. Yeah, man. Look here, guys. Look here, guys. Look here. Hello, world. Hello. Alright, guys, I'm back. First target. Very first target. I got a wheat scent. Yeah. Probably hear that plane going by. Yeah, it's starting to dry out. Look like it's ate up pretty good, as you can see. But it is a wheat. Yeah, there we go. So I can clean it off a little bit on the pants. Yeah, there we go. Oop, where'd it go? There it is. There we go. Let's see, it is a wheat. Let's see if we can't get a date. If I can keep it in my hand. My buddy Chris, that I was hunting with, went back to Arkansas, and he had gave me some gloves and a pouch. Appreciate that. And so I got a new pouch and new pair of gloves, but I can't get a date. Look like, I don't know what date that is, but it is a week. All right, guys, let's see what else I can get. See you on the next good target. All right, guys, I'm back. Just got my second coin. It's starting to dry out. You can see it is a wheat. It is a wheat penny. Yep, there it is. See how good you guys can see it. But there it is. Oh, mosquitoes. But it is a wheat cent. All right, guys. See what else I can get. See you on the next good target. Man, these mosquitoes are bad. All right, guys, I'm back. I was digging. I've gotten a couple of more wheat pennies. I'm not going to show them all, but I did get a couple of more wheats. Was digging a 89-90 signal. It was reading about 4-5 inches deep. I popped the plug open, used my, and look at there. You can see a glimpse of something right there. You see it? Right there. Look at there. I look like that silver. Look at look at there, guys. I knew it had to be something around here. Look at there. Look at there, guys. The silver quarter. Hello, world. Look at there, guys. Look at there. It's a silver quarter. Ah, mosquitoes. I got my water with me today. Oh, these mosquitoes is biting me. Let's see what we got there. I know it's a Washington. We can rub them. 1950. 1950. Hello, world. Look at there. Look at there, guys. 1950. We'll take that. We'll take that. Ah, man, these flies are biting too. Look at there. We can rub it. There we go. Look at there, guys. Hello, world. 1950. All right, guys. It's got some green stuff on it. Let's see what else we can get. See you on the next good target. I knew it was. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can see, I'm hunting this back area. Behind this, I've been hitting around this area. Got a wheat penny over there. Another one over here. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's 5 or 6 wheat pennies I got so far. Been digging close by that building. This is like center blocks. And I was swinging, and I got a similar signal like I did that other quarter right there. Hear that? Listen. Hear that? Hear that? So I was swinging like this. I heard that. Hear that? This one could be trash. It's deep. Look at that depth meter. Look at that. It's reading about 4 or 5 inches. Hear that? This one might be trash. It's kind of jumpy all over the place. It's kind of knolling out a little bit. It's reading 6 inches, so it's got depth. So let's dig this one first and see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. It's super dry over here too. See what we got. Got something a little deeper. Man, these flies are biting. Oh, I see it, guys. Look here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's sitting on edge. Oh man, look here, guys. Look here. Look, see it? Look. See that? Look. Look at it sitting on edge. You see it down there? Right there. See it? You can see the reeded edge. Look at there. Oh, it's down there too, guys. Look at that. Right there. Right there. You see it? Let me see if I can get it out of there. It's sitting on edge. It's sitting up and down. Get behind it and push it out of there. There it go. Look at it's on my shovel. Look here, guys. Look here. Look at there, guys. There it is. See it fall off? Right there. Look here, guys. There it is. It's another quarter. It's another quarter. Look at there. Look at there, guys. It's another quarter. Look at there. What is it? It's another Washington. Hello, world. Look at that, guys. I need to turn my pin pointer off. Yeah, it's another Washington. These flies and mosquitoes are biting the crap out of me. Yep, another Washington. Hello, world. Look at there. 1935. 1935. Hello, world. All right, guys. Let's see what this other target was. Oh, this could be good. This could be good. Old car wash is giving it up. It's giving it up. I got to find that other target. I don't know. Remember where it was. That one's there. There it is. Right there. Let's see what we got there. Let's see what we got there. Oh, the ground is soft over here. Let's see what this one is. Let's see what this is. What we got? Get my pin pointer. Oh, it's still on. We got something right over there. Right there. Right there. Still back up in there. Still down there, guys. Oh, look here, guys. Look here, guys. Look here. There's another one. There's another one. It's a Washington. I can see the back of this one. It's a Washington. Come up out of there. Come up out of there. It was down there. There it is. 1936. 1936. Hello, world. Oh, look. It's another signal in there, guys. It's another signal in there. I heard it. Where's that? I heard it. See, it's something else right there. Or let me make sure my pin pointer's not falsing. Nope. Right there. It's another one. I bet it's another one. I bet it's another one deeper. Look at that go. Let's see if I moved it. Yep, there it is, guys. There's two of them. Look here, guys. Look there. Look there. Hello, world. Look at there, guys. It's another one. It's another one. Come up out of there. Look at there, guys. Ah, these mosquitoes are biting me. These flies are biting me. Look here, guys. We don't really need to spray them off. Look at that. This one, 1951. 1951. Hello. A silver spill. Silver spill. This one's 1936. 1936. Hello, world. We'll take it. 8 minutes long. Look at there. That's two in this hole. Look how deep they were. They was sitting back off it. What? Is there something else in there? I think it's falsing. Let me see. Yeah, it's falsing. They were sitting back off in that hole, back off over in there. This one was sitting deeper down off in there. Look how far apart they were from each other. Look at there, guys. Hello, world. All right, guys, these flies are biting me. Let's see what else I can get. See you on the next good target. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo. All right, guys, I'm back. You see, I've been hitting all around in this area here. It's kind of hard to swing because the grass is kind of long. Working my way on the outer edges now. There's the old building there. I'd like to get off the side of that gate. So I'm gonna see if I can't detect off in there. The grass looks a little better over there. But I was digging another wheat penny signal. 79, 80, jumped up to 83. And you can see right there, it looks like silver right there. Oh man, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Right there. See him? Mosquitoes are bad. There it is. Look at there. Silver dime. Hello, world. Silver dime. Hello, world. See what we got? Oh, it's a merc. It's a merc. Yeah, it's a merc. Yeah, there it is right there. You can see it right there. See what date we got. Man, yeah. Let's see what date. It wants to cover up the date. It wants to clean everything but the date. Let's see what we got. 1942. 1942. Right there. Hello, world. All right, guys. Let's see what else we can get. See you on the next good target. All right, guys. I'm back. You see, I'm working my way closer and closer. I've covered a lot of this area here. Haven't found nothing else really. A couple more weeds since that mercury dime, and so I've been combing it real slow, and I come across another signal here. I'm gonna let you check this out and hear it. There it is. See the ID? See, it's trying to knoll out on me. Hear that iron grunt? Kind of hear a mid-tone. Hear that grunt? Could be. See, it's trying to gnaw loud on me. See? Could be another dime. Here it gets loud. Saying 7 inches. Seems like it's something right here at 6 inches. Hear it? Five, 6 inches. So let's live dig it and see what we got, just in case it's something good. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I felt something hard. You can hear rocks hitting. Let's see what we got. You don't see anything. Nothing in the plug. Got something. Mosquitoes, flies are biting me. We got something back off over there. Oh, you hear those rocks? Man. Oh, I see some. Could be. It's a little deeper. Man. Where's my pinpoint? Something right there. Let me get my shovel, guys. I don't know what this is, but it's deeper. Oh, look here, guys. I see it. Dang, that thing was deep. Look here, guys. Look here. Look at it sitting at the bottom right there. See it? See it? It's another silver. Look how deep that thing is. Look. Look. I can see a glimpse of it right there. See it? See it? Let's see if I can move it. Right there, look. Look. Man, that thing was deep. It was deep. Look at that, guys. Look how deep that thing is. Look. Look at that, guys. Come up out of there. Oh, look at it. It's a $50, guys. Look at the color on that thing. Look at look at that, guys. Look how deep that thing was. Look how look how deep that thing was. Look at there, guys. It's a half. It's a $50. Get up off of there. Come up out of there. Come up out of there. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That thing was down there. It was down there. Look at there, guys, how deep that thing was. Look at there. It was every bit of 7, 8 inches. Every bit of it. Look at there, guys. I can't tell what it is. I can't tell what it is. Look here, guys. Look at there. Look like it's got some rust or something on it. Look at there. let's give it some water. Let's give it some water. It's a Franklin. It's a Franklin. I can see it. I can see it. It's got rust all on it. Look at there, guys. Look at it. Hello, world. Look at there, guys. 1963 Franklin. Look at it, guys. Look at the rust on it. And look at the rust on it. Look at there, guys. Look at there. Hello, world. All right, guys. Let's see what else we can get. See you on the next guitar. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm back. Was swinging around that tree there. Didn't find anything. Was going down that area there to those other trees there. Didn't find nothing. I start working this little area here, and I got a 84, 85 signal. Had to go through these roots right here, and look here. I don't know how good you guys can see it. Where is that? There it is. You see him down there? Right there, guys. It's right there. See him right there? This is if I can keep these flies off of me. These, yep, it's silver. It's silver. Look here. You see it down there? It's down up under them roots. I can't get it out though. I can't get it out. Oh well, I can't get him out. Let me take my glove off. I can't get him out of there. There he come. There, come up out of there. Come up out of there. There he is. See him? See him right there? Right there. Come up out of there. Look at that. It's a silver, guys. Look here. Hello, world. I had to go up under the roots to get to that one. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. It's another Merc. It's another Merc. Hello, world. Hello. Yeah. It's another Merc. Yeah, there he is. There he is. What year we got? Another 42. Hello, world. Look at that. There he is. All right, guys. Let's see what else we can get. See you on the next good target. Yeah, man. All right, guys, I'm back. Tell you, this is probably one of my best hunts ever. I'm working along this side here, working along this, working my way up to the front of that building right there. I'm working my way, pull that big piece, I set it right there. I'm gonna grab it on the way back. My pouch is kind of full, so I'm gonna grab that before I leave. So I'm making my line through here, get a deep target right here, deep target right there, and it's drying out. It's drying out, but it's still sitting where it was sitting. And let me show you what I got there. Look at there. Hello, world. Some type of military badge right there. Look at it, still sitting on there. Let me get it where you can see it. Look at there, guys. Look at there. Still sitting there. Oh, you can't see it. There it is. See it? Right there. Look at that, guys. You can see where it was sitting right there. Look at there. Look at there. I'm not sure what it says. Now there's the back of it. Looked like it had a pin that went on it. Maybe a hook right there where it broke off. Look at there. I have to clean it up and see what it's got some writing on it, but I have to clean it up and see. Look like somebody's initials probably too. So we'll clean that up and I'll show it to you on a wrap up. One of my best hunts ever today, by far. All right, guys. See you on the next good target. What's up, YouTube? It's time for the wrap up. I didn't want to leave, but a storm was brewing in, so I had to get up out of there. Didn't want to get caught in the rain again, so I'm gonna show you hunt from one hunt where me and a subscriber from Arkansas named Chris come down, and we hunted a little bit, and I found one silver merc. I'm gonna show that. And then I went to an elementary school just to try out different settings on my Amphibio, trying to tweak it a little bit and find better settings. Well, I was using the 5-tone settings that I gave you at the beginning of the video, and it has been pretty good. Very quiet, deep, and so I was just testing the settings out. I noticed on quarters the sound was really loud, and on like clad dimes and copper cents it was low. It still had the high pitch, but it wasn't as loud as hitting on the quarter. And then you can tell the difference between a quarter and a bottle cap. Bottle caps was ringing like from 88 to 91, but when you try to pinpoint, and this is how I figured it out, when you try to pinpoint on a bottle cap, it didn't want to pinpoint. It'd just make a crackling sound, and whenever you would swing and come up off the bottle cap, it would crack. And so it was very easy to figure out and distinct between a bottle cap that was ringing up the same as quarters. And so once I figured that out, I started digging more quarters, and I would come across a bottle cap, and then I would just say, this is a bottle cap, I can hear it. And so when I would dig it, it was a bottle cap. So if you really listen, if you're using the Amphibio and you're trying 5-tone, the settings that I tried, even in 4-tone, when you try to pinpoint trash, it don't want to pinpoint. Like bottle caps, it will crack. On a coin, it was more strong on a pinpoint, but then on bottle caps, it will crack. And so that's how I determined that's a bottle cap, that's a quarter, that's a bottle cap. So try that and see if it works for you. Like I say, I can give you settings, but if you don't learn how the Amphibio sounds on certain targets or be able to recognize the tones, then it does no good for the settings, because you relying too much on the VDI when you should be listening and then look at the VDI. So that's just a tip, for you guys who swinging the Amphibio. I'll be getting a lot of message on the settings I use and other certain things, but the more you use that Amphibio, the better you'll get with it. You can't just go out every now and then and get settings and expect to find what you want to find. Have a great hunt. You gotta get out there and use it as much as you can. Even if it's just going to a park just to dig targets, you'll start to register the sound that the Amphibio is making on good targets and bad targets. So let's go over the finds. Went back to the military base, was looking at some maps. Went to an old car wash that sat on the military base. It was an old structure that sat there. Don't know what that structure was. Could have been like a little spot where they got changed for the car wash or what, I don't know. On the map it just says structure, so I don't know what sat there, but that spot was a really good spot. So here go the trash that I dug out there. Dug less trash with the with 5-tone. These things here rung up, I mean they're light aluminum, but they rung up like an 84, 85. So I was digging those because that's where silver dimes and other stuff was ringing up. So you'll never go out and not dig trash. You're gonna dig that trash. It's so many different metals that ring up just like coins. So you're gonna dig trash. There's the trash. I got this when I went hunt with Chris at a park. I got that. Here's a couple of those little junk rings there. They're just junk rings. Found those at the elementary school. Found this at the military base. It's like a little silver wash thing that went on the uniform. I think that's a razor guard there. I'm not sure, but I think that's what that is here. Got 2 zipper pulls at the school. I got this. This is look like a part of maybe a lighter that went on top of a lighter. Got that at the military base. Got this hammer deal to a cap gun at the park with me and Chris. Got this button here. I got these bullets at the military base today. Got those, and then here's some that looks kind of different. So I got those. I got that piece there. I got a fishing weight out there. I think we got that when I went out with Chris. At the elementary, here's all the quarters that I dug right there. All the quarters. Just messing with them, just to dig targets. You know, sometimes that's what you have to do to figure out new machines. Just go out there and dig targets. There's the big clad of copper cents, clad of dimes, and some zinc pennies. Out at the military base today, there's all the wheats that I dug today. There. 4 quarters right there. There's that Franklin half. I tried to get that rust off there. I couldn't get it off. I did get some off the back, but you can still see some blue and grayish looking colors on the back of it. But I cleaned it as best I could. So while you clean your coins, I don't plan on selling them anyway, so it doesn't matter. There's the 2 mercs. I dug one of these mercs to 39 when I went out with a subscriber. Went to a park and I got that merc. And then I got this piece out there at the military base. I cleaned it up, put some olive oil on it to try to bring the writing out. You guys could probably see what it says on there, but I got that. Probably the best find for me right there. Hopefully I can get a shadow box in every metal, button or whatever I find at the military base. I'm gonna put them off inside that shadow box. But I got that right there. Probably one of the best finds right there. Mosquitoes and those horseflies was biting me to death out there. All right, guys, that was my hunt. Hope you enjoyed it. Also, guys, for all your metal detecting needs, make sure you get Ed a call at Treasure Mountain Detectors. If you need pin pointers, pouches, diggers, shovels, whatever you need, give Ed a call. Tell him Darnell sent you. All right, guys, with that, hope you enjoyed the hunt. Until next time, hello, world. See you on the next hunt.